In this guide, we're going over how you can get Demon King here in Sailor Peace in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, interact with the teleporter, and you're going to need to start on Academy Island. So make your way here, and of course, once you're on Academy Island, you need to complete the Demonite Core quest. You just collect cores and fragments around the map. It's super easy. If you want a specific step-by-step guide on how to do that and the locations, just search up Demonite Core Just Pause on YouTube or on Google. It'll pop up. But talk to this guy first, and then of course if you want like a quick little rundown, one of the spots is over there, and then the other spot is like right behind that second little pillar right there. But once you do that, essentially you're going to need to re-roll your clans. You need to get the Voltigor clan, and of course you could use, re-rolls or, clan materials in order to do this. You're also going to need the Demon King title, which drops from bosses. Specifically the boss that you could spawn with this boss summoner right here. So you go ahead and take him out and keep farming them. And of course, you're also going to need some Calamity Seals as well. Calamity Seals are used to actually spawn in the boss, so just keep that in mind. Once you have the seals, farm the boss over and over, and you need demonic fragments, demonic shards, destruction eyes. You're going to need people marks and so much more. You're going to have to farm for a little bit. I'm just going to be honest with y'all. But that really is it. Just repeat it. Of course, farm seals, spawn the boss, defeat the boss, and repeat until you have anything. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.